Hello, welcome back, and you can see we have created the center navigation here. We have created another list and added the font awesome icon. As you can see, we have added the font awesome icon here, and right now what we are going to do here, we are going to create this right navigation in HTML. So let's get started. So first of all, open up the index.html file, and inside the file go to right div, this right div. Let me scroll down so you can see perfectly. So this is okay. So you can see we have created the right div for this right navigation, and we will also add divs as we added inside the center navigation. Like here you can see this is the center div, but we have added the center nav and center menu inside the center div. So that is what we are going to do here. We are going to create a div, and this div will be the RightNav. I'll say class RightNav, and inside the RightNav we will say div, and this div will have a class name of menu, and let me cut some spaces here, and you can see we have created the RightNav and RightMenu. And what we are going to do here, we just need to add the same another list which we have added here. So let's simply copy this another list to save time and paste it here. And what we are going to do here is simply going to remove this font awesome icon, and because the layout of this menu is the same as center navigation, so that is why I have copied this another list and pasted here. We want our another list layout as same as we have created inside the center navigation, except the first li, because you can see here what we done here, we have added an image and a text beside the image. So that is why we don't give a same layout for this particular list. So what we are going to do here, we are going to add a div element here. So we will remove this span element and icon because we don't need it for the first li element. We are going to add a div, and this block level element will have a class name of let's say name div, and let me scroll to the right, and that's better. Inside the name div we will create another div. This div will work as a wrapper for these two elements. So inside this div we will create two divs. First div will be for the image and the second div will be for the text. So we'll say this is for the text and this is for the image. So let's first add a class name for this wrapper div. We'll say class name wrap is the best, I think, name wrap, and for the first child of this element is gonna have a class name of name image, and another one will have a class name of name text. So we'll say class name text. What we have done here, we have created a div and give a class name of name div. This div work as a wrapper for this wrap div, and this name wrap is going to be a wrapper for the image and the text. So you can see here this is an image and this is a text. So this image will goes inside the name image div. So we'll open up the div and we will add an image element to add our image. We don't have any images inside the images folder, but we are going to locate this folder. So we'll say images slash. So inside the images folder we don't have any image, but which image we're going to use here, his name is Mizan, which is my name, and that extension is JPG, and this is the image extension. And let me end this, and we will end this element by the slash. So you can see this is the name image div, and inside the name image div we have added image tag inside the name image div. Our image goes inside the name image div. So that is it for the name image div, and for the name text is the name which is appears inside this div. So we'll say my name is Mizan. I will add Mizan here. So that is the layout for the first li, and the rest of the menu layout is the same as we have created for the center navigation. So let me save this file, and let's refresh the page. So let's refresh it. You can see this is the same icon showing here because we haven't changed the icon, but you can see the image is not loaded because we have not added the image inside the image folder. Our image folder is empty, so we are going to do that later. So let's change the icon. Open up the fontawesome.com, and I already opened it. So go and open up the browser and open up this link fontawesome.com and search for the icon. Let me see what icon we use here. We used plus icon, so we'll say we will type here plus and hit enter. You will find several different result for this plus keyword. You can find bunch of icons for this plus keyword. You can see several different icon appears here, but we need this icon, so we'll open up this in a different tab, and right here we are going to search another icon. So let's check it out. What is the second icon? You can see this is the messenger icon. We'll say FB. Let me cut this. Let's say messenger. I think I mistyped it, but you will see this is the messenger icon. So open up the icon, and let me check it. The third one, this is the bell icon. So open up the bell icon. Let's type bell, and you will find a bell icon here. There it is. Always try for the free one, and let me check the last one. This is the pointing down arrow. So we'll say, I remember I've searched this before. I will say arrow, and let me scroll down. This is the icon which has a short down class. So let me cut this. So you can see we have open up every icon which we have used here. Let me copy the first icon tag here and paste it inside the second li element in the span section. So let's paste it here and save the file, and let's go over here and copy the messenger icon, and let's go there again. And for the third li element we are going to use this messenger icon, and for the fourth li element we are going to use this bell icon, and let me paste it here. And you can see we need to paste it one more time for the short down icon. which is the pointing down icon, this one. So copy this and paste it for the fourth li spawn element. So we have pasted, save the file. So let's test this out. So let's open up the project file, refresh the page. You can see we have added the icon here and it's showing here perfectly. We have successfully created the layout for the right section. So that's it for now, and see you in the next lecture.